Is Adobe Creative Cloud taking ages to load, making you tear your hair out before you can even start your work? Let's dive into how to speed things up, from sluggish starts to frozen installations. First, understand that a slow Creative Cloud can be caused by a few things. First, let's address the usual suspects. Start by giving your internet connection a quick test to ensure it's running smoothly. Then, make sure your Creative Cloud app itself is up to date. Outdated versions can be buggy. Next, a full hard drive can drag everything down, so free up some space. Finally, excessive background apps can hub resources, close anything unnecessary. Now let's talk about the Creative Cloud app. Go to your system's task managing tool, look for any Adobe processes and see if they're using a lot of your computer's resources. If they are, try ending them. Restart the Creative Cloud app and often resolves problems. If those don't work, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Creative Cloud app. This can clear out corrupted files. Before reinstalling, make sure to fully uninstall the app. Then, go to the Adobe Creative Cloud website and download the latest version. Keeping Creative Cloud running smoothly is essential for your workflow. Following these steps should have you creating in no time. Remember, a bit of maintenance goes a long way. Don't forget to like and subscribe.